Good morning, class. In today's English class, we will be doing the book exercises. So, if we start with the book exercise, then first one is you have to fill this table. You can see that there is a table and you have to fill this table. So, how you are supposed to do? You have to read the rule that is written here, like here it says most adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives by adding er and est. So using this rule, you will be filling this orange box. Then using the second rule, if positive degree ends in e, we add only r and st. ये वाला rule use करके आप ये fill करेंगे. Similarly, you will be reading the C rule and filling the purple box, and then the D rule and the yellow box. And these rules we have already covered and they have been explained in previous class. So let's start with the first one. Bold, bolder, boldest. Small, smaller, smallest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Dark, darker, darkest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Right? Now second rule says if the word is ending with e, then to form the comparative you have to add r, and to form the superlative you have to add st. So it says noble, nobler, noblest. White, whiter, whitest. Safe, safer, safest. Then able, abler, ablest. C rule says when the words end in y preceded by a consonant, अगर last letter y है and preceded means उससे पहले एक consonant है, then y is changed into I before adding er, and for superlative you will be adding est. So happy, happier, happiest. Holy, holier, holiest. Silly, sillier, silliest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. So this way you will be filling it. Then D, it says when the words end in vowel y, vowel plus y, that means last letter is y and before y there is a vowel. Y last letter है और last letter से पहले vowel है. Then we will add er in comparative, and in superlative we will be adding est. So it says gay, gayer, gayest. Grey, grayer, greyest. So we have to be very particular with the spellings. Next is if the word is of one syllable, that means the length is small and you cannot break it into smaller parts, then and the word is ending in any consonant with a vowel before it. Last letter consonant है और उससे पहले एक vowel है. जैसे big का last letter G है, that's a consonant, and before G there is a vowel, that's I. Then what you have to do, you have to double the last letter. That means big. When we'll be writing in comparative, it will be bigger, B-I-double-G-E-R, and biggest, B-I-double-G-E-S-T. So same thing will be followed here. Fat, fatter, fattest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. That is, the last letter will be doubled. Then adjectives of more than two syllables. If then letter, if the word is big and it can be easily broken into two, अगर दो में आप divide कर सकते हैं, then in that case you have to use more and most, like wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Then forgetful, more forgetful, most forgetful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Enjoyable, more enjoyable, and most enjoyable, right? Then in next one it says there are some comparative and superlative degrees which are written in irregular way. Irregular way means they don't follow any rule. So it will be good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, old, older, and here eldest. Then less, less, least, far, farther, further, farthest, furthest. So there is a difference between farther and further. Farther means दूर and further means next. जहाँ FAR का यूज़ हो रहा है that means आगे, and FUR का यूज़ हो रहा है that means next, further. Then let's read the tip also. This, children, you already know that little word is used for uncountable, few is used for countable, many countable. Now older and elder. Older and oldest can be used with both person and thing. चाहे thing हो चाहे person हो, दोनों के लिए आप वो word use कर सकते हैं. But elder and eldest specifically सिर्फ human beings के लिए ही use होगा. We don't use than after elder. Elder word के बाद, क्योंकि elder word क्या है? Elder is comparative, and in comparatives we use than word, but in case of elder we do not use than. So that's an exception. Now second exercise says fill in the blanks with suitable degree of the given adjective. So ये yellow color का bracket में adjectives दिए हैं, इनको आपको यहाँ पे suitable degree means read the sentence, जो भी वहाँ पे डिग्री पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव या सुपरलेटिव, जो डिग्री वहाँ पे आनी चाहिए सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग यू हैव टू राइट इट. और ये आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? इफ़ इन अ सेंटेंस दैन वर्ड इज देयर इट विल बी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. इफ़ बिफोर द ब्लैंक, ये ब्लैंक है और ब्लैंक से पहले द वर्ड लिखा है, द आर्टिकल, देन इट इज सुपरलेटिव. अगर सिमिलीज हैं जैसे एज वर्ड लिखा है, एज डैश एज, तो पॉजिटिव डिग्री लगेगी. और इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं है देन इन दैट केस इट विल बी पॉजिटिव डिग्री. देन लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन. मीना इज डैश दैन मी, दैन ओल्डर. आदित्य इज द आर्टिकल आ गया तो सुपरलेटिव हो जाएगा. एंड सो ओल्ड का यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? एल्डर, द सुपरलेटिव, सो एल्डेस्ट. लेड इज अ पॉजिटिव डिग्री बिकॉज देर इज नो कंपैरिजन, सो इट विल बी हेवी. नाउ हियर इन फोर्थ वन, लेड इज द इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, इसके आगे द आता है, सो इट इज कंपैरिजन भी हो रहा है सारे मेटल्स में, सो यहाँ पे सुपरलेटिव डिग्री आएगी हेवीएस्ट. दिस आंसर इज वेरी गुड. दैट एम्प्लॉय इज डैश दैन, कंपैरिजन हो गया दो लोगों में, दैन, सो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री मोर हार्ड वर्किंग. देन हर बैग इज डैश दैन, comparison, so comparative degree more expensive. She gave an amazing performance in the play. She was the superlative degree आएगी most delicate princess. I think that I am the lucky, superlative degree क्या हो जाएगा? luckiest. It is colder today than it was yesterday. Cold word adjective, इसका comparative degree क्या होगा? colder. And how we decided कि यहाँ comparative आएगा? Because there is comparison and their word than is written. No one was as, simile आ गई, so simile में positive degree होगी. As greedy as. The Sahara is the superlative degree, the largest desert in India, in the world. I am feeling as, simile, fresh as a daisy. He is as stubborn, means ziddi, as a mule. He is as slow as a snail. So जब भी simile words का use हो रहा है as, dash, as, we are using positive degree. Is it clear? So read the sentence carefully. If there is a comparison between two, दो लोगों के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रहा होगा तो than वर्ड आएगा, तो वहाँ पे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री लगेगी. अगर ब्लैंक से पहले आर्टिकल द का यूज़ हो रहा है दैट मीन्स दो से ज़्यादा के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, एंड इन दैट केस यू विल बी यूजिंग सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. And if it is a case of a simile like as dash as, positive degree. And in case neither there is than, nor the, nor as, in that case you will be using what? Positive degree. So these are the similes given in the blue box. You have to memorize them. इनको आपको learn करना है. Now coming to the third exercise. Similes you have to complete it as easy as A, B, C. As white as milk, as cold as ice, as gentle as lamb, as brave as a lion, as sweet as honey, as fresh as a daisy. Daisy is a flower. As alike as two peas in a pod. Pod क्या होती है? मटर की जो फली आती है, मटर ग्रीन कलर की, with a covering, that is known as pod. As busy as a bee, as cunning as a fox. Cunning means chalak. Now error finding. So here you will be underlining the errors, and same you will be writing here. She turned as redder as a beetroot. As के साथ हम कौन सी डिग्री का यूज करते हैं? पॉजिटिव डिग्री. सो रेडर इज एन एरर. यहाँ पे रेड होगा. सो यहाँ पे आप एरर्स को ही लिखेंगे. रेडर. Anjana is pretty, but Shruti is prettiest than her. Comparison here between Anjana and Shruti. So there will be prettier. Prettiest is the error. Cycling on the highway is most dangerous than traveling by car. Most, more. Comparison. I am tall. I am taller. So tall is the error. The teacher told me that my painting was very best. Was best लिखिए या फिर was good, because there is no comparison. So वहाँ पे good हो जाएगा best की जगह. Was very good. China is the more populated country in the world. पूरे world की बात हो रही है तो superlative. More की जगह most. July is the hotter month of the year. The hottest, पूरे साल की बात हो रही है. So the hottest, hotter is wrong. She has much money than brain. She has more money than brains. Ravi is my oldest. Oldest की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? Ravi is my older brother, because यहाँ पे there is no you cannot say that it is superlative degree, or it is not comparison between more. So it is Ravi is my older brother. This is the eldest temple. Eldest word is used with humans. So temple is a thing, so you will be using the oldest word. Eldest गलत है और यहाँ oldest हो जाएगा. So here you will be underlining the wrong words and you will be writing the same here. Then in the fifth one, you have to choose from the bracket. ये येलो कलर के ब्रैकेट में दो ऑप्शंस लिखे हैं और इनको आपको पढ़ना है और फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंटेंस जो भी सही है that you have to fill. Now little and few, this you know, little uncountable nouns के लिए यूज होता है and few countables के लिए. So there was a little milk in the jug. Second one says I have so much work to finish. See, many works is not there. Much is used with work because it shows quantity. So अगर हम वर्क की क्वांटिटी देख रहे हैं तो हम मच का यूज़ करेंगे. इफ़ वी नो कि नंबर है, मीन्स हमारे पास हमें पता है कि ये काम भी बचा है, ये काम भी बचा है. इफ़ देर आर नंबर ऑफ वर्क्स देन वी विल बी यूजिंग मैनी. So in this case I have so much work to finish. Here we are talking about the quantity. Only a few questions are unsolved. You have shown much confidence, because much is uncountable. Physical punishment does more harm than good. I have two elder sisters. Snehit is taller than Aman. He has some sincere friends. Can you give me a few coins? Because coins are countable, so few. Can you give me dash time? Now time, we cannot count, so it's a little time. There is so much rice in the bowl. So many rice नहीं, many हम rice को count नहीं कर सकते. So many is used with countable and much is used with uncountable. So there is so much rice. There are so many participants, because you can count the participants. So there are so many participants for the quiz. Okay, so read the sentence thoroughly, then accordingly you have to choose the adjective. Now in the next exercise, they have given you some words. Okay, in each box some words are given. Now you have to frame the sentences. How you will be framing? Sixth one, it says you have to use positive degree. So these are the adjectives. The center column में सारे adjectives दिए. So इनको आपको उसकी डिग्री के अकॉर्डिंग यूज़ करना है. And when you are choosing the degree, you also have to see while framing the sentence जो subjects हैं इनके अकॉर्डिंग आपको आगे helping verbs यूज़ करने हैं. Like Shaur. Shaur is as handsome as his father. Okay. Guavas are as cheap. Amit is as tall as giraffe. Sheena is as proud as peacock. So is लगेगा कि are लगेगा, this you have to decide depending upon singular and plural subject. Like Shaur singular था, so we have used is. Guavas plural था, so we have used are. Okay. Then in seventh one, now frame similar sentences using comparative degree. So Sneha singular, Sneha is careful. So careful का comparative degree क्या होगा? Is more careful than Paras. So similarly, Akshaj is taller than Laksh. Melons plural है, so melons are bigger than apples. Metro singular is लगेगा, is more comfortable than bus. Same way in eighth one, you have to use superlative degree. So an ostrich is largest is the. अब क्योंकि superlative degree है, so इनको जब superlative में change करेंगे, so before it you will be using article the. An ostrich is the largest flightless bird. Banana is the cheapest fruit. This is the highest building. Platinum is the expensive. So you have to put the also. Clear? So this exercise, that is 6th, 7th and 8th, we will be doing it in our notebooks. And rest all the exercises from 1 to 5, we will be doing it in our books. Okay? Thank you.